Hi guys, do you feel your system is getting slow? No problem. In this video, I will show you how you can increase your system RAM by utilizing your hard disk storage. This is called virtual RAM. After watching this video, your system will be faster. I am using Windows 11 with NVIDIA. Ratul this side from Accessible Computing. Let's start. To do this, you need to follow the few steps. First, go to Run dialog box by pressing Windows R.
Run dialog. Type the name of a.
Type sysdm.
Select
.cpl.
sys.
Press enter here.
System properties dialog. Computer name property page.
Press tab until here.
Network ID. Shape. Net computer description. Edit alt tab control. Computer name tab
Computer
selected.
name. So press shift tab once, so you will get this option. This is a multi-tab dialog box. Now press right arrow to switch to the next tab.
Hardware tab selected. Advanced tab selected.
Go to advanced tab. Press tab once.
Advanced property page.
Again.
You must user profiles grouping desktop settings related to your sign-in. Startup and user performance grouping visual
So
effects.
click on
processor
this.
scheduling memory usage.
Just tab one or two times. If you are not getting, shift tab one or two times. Definitely you will get this performance option. Now press enter here.
Performance options dialog. Visual effects property page. Select the settings you want to use for the appearance and performance of Windows on this computer. Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Radio button checked. Alt plus L.
I'm pressing shift tab once.
Tab control. Visual effects tab selected.
Now from here,
Advanced tab
again
selected.
I'm choosing advanced tab by pressing right arrow once. Now I'm pressing tab because it's also a multi-tab dialog box.
Advanced property page. Adjust for best performance of total paging file size for all drives 2432 MB. Process.
This is a by default settings.
Virtual memory grouping. A paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. Change button alt plus C.
Press spacebar here to change this.
Red virtual memory dialog. 16 MB recommended. 2934 MB currently allocated. 2432 MB automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Checkbox checked. Alt plus A.
Okay. So please not check this box.
Not checked.
Then I'm pressing tab.
Paging file size. MB list C. System managed.
So from where do you want to use the memory once your RAM exceeds? Okay. Once your RAM exceeds the limits. For example, you're using 4 GB RAM. When your RAM consumed 4 GB, then from which drive do you want to take the storage and use it as a RAM?
D. Backups and projects none.
So
C.
first
System
is C,
managed.
then
D. Backups and
D.
software and files none.
So E, as I am using 2 hard disk, so there are 2 options. How many partitions do you have in your computer? It will show here. So I am choosing
D. E. Software and files. D. Backups and projects
D.
none.
Then I'm pressing tab.
Paging file size for each drive. Grouping drive volume label. No paging file. Radio button checked. Alt plus
So
N.
from here I'm pressing down arrow.
Custom size. Radio
Custom
button
size.
checked. Alt plus C.
Now I'm pressing tab again.
Initial size. MB. Edit alt
Initial
plus I.
size. So initial size and maximum size should be same.
Initial.
So let's say I want to increase by 2 GB. How to write? 1 GB equals to 1024 MB, which means it is 2048 MB. So I'm using 2048. See?
Max initial size. MB. Edit alt plus I selected 2048.
Next.
Maximum size. MB.
Maximum size. Here I'm typing again 2048. Then I'm pressing tab again.
Set button alt plus S.
So click on set button.
Pressed. Paging file size. MB list. D. Backups and projects 2048.
Okay. Now it is set. Now I'm pressing tab once.
Paging file size. Initial size. M maximum size. Set
And
button alt
click
OK
on
button.
OK button.
Press system properties dialog. The changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. OK button.
Okay. So once you restart your system, then it will start working. As I am recording the video, so I will not do this part, but you will definitely do. Once it's done, then your system will be faster. But if you want to get back to the previous settings. How to do that? Let's learn.
Performance.
Just go to your run dialog box, type sysdm.cpl, then press shift tab once, then press right arrow until you hear advanced, then press tab and then find performance, press enter there and then press shift tab once, then press right arrow to go to advanced tab and then press tab 2 times, click on change button and here
Virtual memory grouping A paging file change button focus.
After clicking
Press
here,
virtual memory.
see
Paging file size MB list C system managed.
from here you need to choose the default settings.
Paging file size for each drive grouping drive volume label system managed size radio button checked Alt +1 no paging file system managed
files. Okay, then press
set the OK button.
Click on OK button. Once you click on OK button, it will again ask you to restart your system. Once you're done, it's ready. You go back to the previous settings. This is how you can easily increase the power of your RAM. If you find this content useful, then don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your friends and other communities. Please note, use this method on your own risk. Do not apply unnecessary changes if you are not sure about that. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.